Good day. My name is Teacher MJ. I am a teacher with 3 years of teaching experience. Throughout my career, I had the opportunity to work with diverse learners, each with unique strength, challenges, and learning style. My teaching philosophy centers an idea that learning should be both engaging and meaningful. I always strive to create a classroom environment where students feel safe, motivated, and confident to express themselves. I love incorporating interactive activities, game based learning, real life example, and technology to make lessons more relevant and exciting. I believe that every student has the potential to succeed, and my role as a teacher is to guide, inspire, and support them in reaching that potential. In my past experience, I've seen how patience, consistency, and creativity can transform students' attitude toward learning, and that's what continues to drive me as an educator.